instead of climate change. Also, you can see children are there, so it means for future. So people.
Very well.
Right, thank you.
As this part of Fiji
This is the green part, which
yes,
is here,
yes.
and there is a.
It's like where pollution and all happens. This is a factory, this is the road in here, and this is a house that is Purnar Verkis. And also this ship that is Purnar Verkis, and see that you can see on top here is the wall that is sinking. It's like that is happening nowadays as climate change is affecting us. So it's just part of our
Very, very well.
Day by day, sea level rises. There's no problem-solving method. It's a crisis. Is this not the exquisite world I was told about? We may be witnessing the end, without a doubt.
I want them, when they are 70 years old as I am, to have a beautiful island like Fiji, green, to have beaches that are not wiped out, to have trees that are there, to have the atolls around, Tuvalu still in good shape, and to have air that you can breathe without creating diseases, and water that is clean, and without plastic, and this is what we will be able to do together. But I believe that you need to be able to also tell your parents and your grandparents they also need to fight against climate change in everything they do, because the world that we are now living in will be a world in which you will be the presidents, the ministers, the generals, and you need to make sure that you'll do a better job than my generation is doing now. Okay?